Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable Google Assistant in Redmi 13C. So basically, I am talking about this Google Assistant. We have two options in Redmi 13C through which we can access Google Assistant. First one is press power button for 0.5 seconds. So this is the Google Assistant. And the other one is long press home button. So we also have a Google Assistant here. If we want to disable this, so all we guys have to do just go to settings and then go to additional setting where we have option of gesture shortcuts. As you see, we have first one here, launch Google Assistant. Click on it and then turn it off. It's mean now the power button Google Assistant is not disabled, but we have this one already active now. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and we have option of home screen here. Just click on home screen. As you see, we have system navigation here. Just click on system navigation and then click on button shortcut. On very first, we have long press the home button in which we have it is already set to launch Google Assistant. So just click on none so that the home screen Google Assistant is now disabled also. See, so this is how you can disable Google Assistant in Redmi 13C. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.